Type in Sparkline where you want your bar chart. Select the cell with the data you want to visualize. Next, specify the chart type as shown. Next, you will want your bar chart to be created in relation to the max value in your data range. You can do this in the formula by specifying the max value in your range as shown. Putting a $sign in front of the column reference makes it an absolute reference, so that the reference does not change when you copy the formula to other cells. You now have your bar chart. You can drag this formula down to the other rows, or copy and paste the formula to the other cells. If you want to change the color of your bar chart, you can do this by adding another parameter in your formula as shown. You will need to enter the HTML color code, so find the color you want from Google, then copy and paste it into the formula as shown.